This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Today, I'm gonna show you guys the ultimate Japanese burger, delicious Yakiniku or grilled beef inside of a bun made of rice. Oh, look at that! Burger and Yakiniku! Yakiniku burger! So, let's get cooking! Okay guys, the first thing we want to prepare is our rice bun. I've gone over how to make rice without a rice cooker before in my previous videos, which you should definitely check out in the description box below. But this time, we're gonna be adding a little bit of extra flavor. Before we cook our rice, let's add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of mirin. And give that a little stir. I'm cooking 450 grams of rice, which is usually about 3 servings. So adjust the amount of seasoning if you make less. This time, since we're adding seasoning, we're gonna add 540 milliliters of water. While we wait for our rice to cook, we wanna marinate the meat for our burger. You could use the store-bought Yakiniku sauces if you can find them. But if not, don't worry, let me show you how to make it yourself. Into a bowl, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and then 2 tablespoons of honey, which we're gonna microwave for a few seconds to make runny. This makes everything easier to mix together. Then we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. We also want to add some grated ginger and garlic to our marinade, so let's give these both a quick grate before adding them in. Now, if you want to give your marinade a bit of a kick, I recommend adding just a few shakes of shichimi, which is a type of Japanese chili powder with other spices and seeds, but just chili powder by itself will work too. Finally, let's add 1 tablespoon of whole sesame seeds before mixing that all together. Okay, now that's done. We also want to marinate some sliced onion with our meat, so let's just slice up half a large onion. Perfect! And then we're gonna add our meat, around 200 grams of thinly sliced beef, our onion, and our marinade into a Ziploc bag. We will seal that up and let marinate for at least 30 minutes before we cook. But you can also leave this overnight in the fridge for a deeper flavor. Now, we also want to add some mayonnaise to our Yakiniku burger, but just buying mayonnaise is too easy, right guys? So let's make our own. Into a mixing bowl, add 1 egg yolk, 3 grams of sugar, 3 grams of salt, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Then, we will whisk all of these ingredients. I have 100 milliliters of olive oil here, which I'm gradually gonna add 1 tablespoon at a time and mix. Our mayonnaise will start to get thick like this, about the consistency of mayo that you would expect. And that's our Champ's Kitchen original mayonnaise done! I could sell this for millions if I didn't already tell you all the ingredients. Oh well. Now, our rice is cooked. We want to add some potato or cornstarch to help it keep its shape as a burger bun. Let's add 3 tablespoons and mix that up into our rice. And then a few more and repeat this step. We just want enough to lightly coat our rice. Now that's done, it's time to weigh our rice buns. You can do this easily by putting some plastic wrap into a bowl and measuring around 80 grams per bun. Close up the wrap and squish this down into a circle shape. Repeat this step with the remainder of your rice. I made way too much, but you can freeze these for later. Yeah, totally on purpose. Now, once our patties are done, let's gently fry them in olive oil over a medium-high heat. We just want to give our rice buns a little crunch and also make it so they don't fall apart when we eat. Once they turn a nice golden color on both sides, we will take these off and let them rest. Next, it's time for the yakiniku. Let's heat some oil in a pan over a medium-high heat and add our marinated meat. We just want to cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure none of the meat is clumped together. Once our meat is fully cooked through, let's set this aside. Now, a great topping for a yakiniku burger is a fried egg. Oh, there's no Japanese secret to fry an egg. Sorry about that. Okay, now that's cooked, it's time to put this all together. Our bun, homemade mayonnaise, lettuce, our yakiniku, some sliced tomato, our egg, and... Okay guys, so yakiniku rice burger is done! Looks so delicious. I can't wait to eat it. いただきます! This yakiniku sauce flavor and with the egg, it works so well. You don't see the burger like this outside of Japan. The rice buns and the yakiniku. You should definitely try it at home. If you have any other recipes that you want me to make, please leave the comment down below. A big thank you to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. I love the idea of teaching you guys new things, and so I wanted to share Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of online classes for anyone who loves learning and wants to learn a new skill. I've been watching all the cooking classes available, not just to brush up on my cooking skills, but because it's a great example for how to make easy cooking lessons for you guys. You guys know I love healthy recipes, so I've been watching this course from Sari Marsh and Laura Keel for some more ideas of what to cook on weeknights. So if you're interested in starting cooking and want to learn more, Skillshare is the perfect place to start. Check the description. The first 1,000 people to use this link will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So make sure not to miss out on joining the classes and communities that can help you be more creative or relaxed or healthy. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching, and remember, after we eat, we all say, ごちそうさまでした!